What's up, guys? Today I'll share to you how to enable Twitter dark mode for iOS, Android, and desktop the easiest way. But before that, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button to be updated with our latest upload. So back to the video. Twitter for Android and iOS has two dark modes, one with a dark blue background that's called dim, and another with a black background called lights out. So which was designed with AMOLED screens in mind. Whichever you prefer, it's easy to make the switch. First, slide out the main menu. Second, select settings and privacy. Third, tap display and sound. And lastly, tap dark mode and choose either dim or lights out. If you enable this use device settings, you can now enable or disable the Twitter dark mode by going to your settings, then display and brightness, and you can choose light or dark. To turn on dark mode in your desktop, it's still the same process with the mobile. Click this three dots icon, open the settings and privacy menu, select display. Now choose default, dim or lights out. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and see you in my next video. Bye for now.